Good morning, children. Now we are in the Vijayanagara kingdom. In this lesson we are discussing about today is Qutub Shahis of Golcondas. In the previous chapter we read about the Kakatiya kingdom in Telangana region. After end of the Kakatiya kingdom, some of other subordinate kings and Nayakas established independent kingdoms. After end of the Kakatiya kingdom, some of the Nayakas and some subordinate kings are established their independent kingdoms. Of these, the Velama kingdoms and Rachakonda and Devarakatra were very important. Sometimes these people also challenged the Vijayanagara emperors and Bahmani kings. These Velama kingdoms of Rachakonda and Devarakonda were very important. These people are very strong and challenged the authority of the Vijayanagara emperors and the Bahmani sultans. Around the year of 1512, Kuli Qutub Shah was a governor of the Bahmani kings in Telangana region. Around the year of 1512, Kuli Qutub Shah, who was a governor of the Bahmani in Telangana region, declared independence and established Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda. Means first Kuli Qutub Shah was a governor of Bahmani sultans. He worked as a governor of Golconda, the region of Bahmani sultans. Qutub Shah extended his rule by capturing the forts of Warangal, Kondapalli, Eluru and Rajamandri. The main important part of Golconda state was Telangana. His successors ruled up to 1687. Some important Qutub Shahis are Kuli Qutub Shah. He was the founder of Qutub Shahi dynasty after Jamshed Kuli, Ibrahim Qutub Shah, Muhammad Kuli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Qutub Shah, Alauddin Qutub Shah, and last one is the Abdul Hasan Thani Shah. After Kuli Qutub Shah, Jamshed Kuli ruled. He ruled 1543 to 1550. After his son Ibrahim Qutub Shah, Sultan Ibrahim Qutub Shah ruled from 1550 to 1580, means 30 years. Sultan Ibrahim Qutub Shah ruled 1550 to 1580. He patronized Telugu literature and supported Brahmins and temples and engaged in large-scale irrigation works like Kakatiya kings. Sultan Ibrahim Qutub Shah patronized Telugu literature. He gave more importance to Telugu and he also supported the Brahmins and temples. He is not discriminated the Hindus. Also he was a Muslim. Also he is not criticized. He gives equality as Hindus as Muslims. He supported Brahmins and temples and engaged in large-scale irrigation works like Kakatiya kings. Famous Telugu poets of Ibrahim Qutub Shahi's period. Famous Telugu poets of Ibrahim Qutub Shahi periods were Singanacharyudu, Addanki Gangadharudu, Kandakuri Rudrakavi, and Konaganti Telaganarya. These are some of the important poets of Ibrahim Qutub Shahi period. Ibrahim Qutb Shah was praised by poets as Malkiba Rama. Ibrahim Qutb Shah was praised by poets as Malkiba Rama. He also took into his service many Nayakas and chiefs who proudly claimed descent from warrior supports of the Kakatiyas, especially those serving Prataparudra. The Nayakas and the chiefs who are worked as the warrior supporters of Kakatiyas, mainly especially serving the Prataparudra, he also took them. He took them as in his service. వాళ్ళ ప్రతాపరుద్ర దగ్గర పనిచేసిన వాళ్ళని కూడా ఈయన ఇతని దగ్గర చేర్చుకున్నాడు పనికి. Ibrahim allowed them considerable autonomy in the agrarian sphere while also entrusting them with a command of great force. Ibrahim allowed them considerable autonomy. He gave some power to the Nayakas and he allowed them to rule that area. The Qutb Shahi rulers quickly understand the regional ecology and decided to continue the Kakatiya pattern of irrigation system to widen the agrarian base in core region of Telangana. Qutb Shahi rulers quickly understand the regional ecology and they also decided to continue the Kakatiya pattern of irrigation. They also understand the Telangana region. What they understand here, there are no main rivers are there, rainfall also we are getting less. So these people also followed the Kakatiya's pattern of irrigation to develop the agriculture. Since they lived in capital Golconda, built Hussain Sagar Lake in 1562. They lived in the Golconda, but they built Hussain Sagar Lake in 1562 during the reign of Ibrahim Qutb Shah. Ibrahim Qutb Shah built Hussain Sagar in 1562. It was named after Sufi saint. Dini name ever pena vettara? One of the Sufi saint, Hazrat Hussain Shah Wali, who helped to design it. Hussain Sagar name was named after Sufi saint Hazrat Hussain Shah Wali, who helped to design it. ఆ ప్లాన్ ఇష్టాతంలో ఇతను ఒకతను. So his name also kept as for Hussain Sagar. It became one of the important lake in Hyderabad. It was developed an artificial lake that holds the water perennially. It was one of the artificial lake and it holds the water perennially. It contains the water throughout the year and the overflow water is fed into the Musi river. It became main source of drinking water of Hyderabad. Another tank at Ibrahimpatnam was also built by him. It is however well known as Purana Pool. It also built across river Musi. It is built on across river Musi. Ibrahim's son, next another rural, Ibrahim's son Muhammad Quli. Ibrahim's son Muhammad Quli was a great visionary. He was one of the great visionary and was responsible for the planning and building of Hyderabad city. Ibrahim's son Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, he was a great visionary and was responsible for the planning and building of Hyderabad city. Mir Momin Astarabadi was the architect of city of Hyderabad. Mir Momin Astarabadi was the architect of city of Hyderabad during his time. He was the architect, he was the engineer. He gave the plan of city Hyderabad. As he was the Prime Minister of Quli Qutub Shah, he played an important role in preparing the layout plan of the Charminar. Mir Momin Astarabad, he was the Prime Minister of Quli Qutub Shah. He played important role in preparing the layout plan of the Charminar. He also gave the plan of Charminar along with that of the new capital city. He also gave the plan of the new capital city. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah built Mecca Masjid. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah built Mecca Masjid. It was built on the model of the Grand Mosque of Mecca. Same ఏ మోడల్లో ఉన్నట మక్కాలో సౌదీ అరేబియాలో ఉన్న మక్కాలో ఉన్నటువంటి మక్కా మస్జిద్ స్టైల్లోనే సేమ్ దీన్ని కూడా కట్టించిండంట. Quli Qutub Shah commissioned bricks to be made from the soil brought from Mecca. Quli Qutub Shah commissioned bricks to be made from the soil brought from Mecca and used them in the construction of the central arch of the mosque. The bricks made from the soil brought from the Mecca. These all bricks are used them in the construction of central arch of the mosque, thus giving the mosque its name. So this mosque name also they give as a Mecca Masjid. A room in the mosque also contained hair of Prophet Muhammad. A room in the mosque also contains hair of Prophet Muhammad. Quli Qutub Shah also constructed the Charminar, the most recognizable symbol of Hyderabad. He was also an accomplished poet in Persian and Urdu. Quli Qutub Shah built the Hyderabad city and Charminar, Makkah Masjid and Jama Masjid. And he also accomplished poet in Persian and Urdu. Persian and Urdu language lo itanu oka poet. The Deccani Urdu acquired the status of literary language due to his contribution. Deccani Urdu made as their official language due to his contributions. Hayat Bakshi Begum was the daughter of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Hayat Bakshi Begum was the daughter of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. She built Hayat Bakshi Mosque located in Hayat Nagar near Hyderabad. She was also known as the Ma Sahib. She also known as the Ma Sahiba. Masab tank is a distorted version of Ma Sahiba tank. Ma Sahiba tank built by Hayat Bakshi Begum. Now it is called as a Masab tank.